It's all good.
No, it was a cowbell.
Yeah.
Stand up, Tim. Yep. More cowbell.
Start 2 flux. Executive. Add flux.
They're still in.
It's working.
It's working.
This state.
Where is it now?
It's searching outlet.
Mm-hmm.
Searching and detecting wall. No.
Can you click one of the state to see the body? Detecting outlet again?
No, fetching plug now. So moving the arm to the plugs. Approaching to the plug. Trying to grasp plug. Fail. So once more. Okay. Good. Lowering the spine.
But now trying to plug in.
Yeah. Plugging in.
Move closer, check for contact.
Closer, check for contact. Move closer, looping these states.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Check over contact success. Twist. Wiggle in. Okay. We can see the robot's motion.
Wiggling in, yep.
Here.
On both in camera view and
Yeah.
RVs.
Okay, it's done.
Do you want to unplug it?
Okay, I'll do the unplug. ER.
Basically, what we figure out is what's happening. Basically,
Lean, wiggle out, pull back from the wall. Okay,
Succeeded?
succeeded.
Congratulations.
Good.
How did you like it?
It's great.
It's great.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's fun to develop on ROS. I think
Great.
very easy. and-
Making everything fun.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.